Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success, love, money, and opportunities effortlessly into their lives? What if I told you that one simple technique, practiced for just a few minutes every day, could help you align your thoughts with your deepest desires? Today, we're talking about the powerful 369 manifestation technique, a method inspired by the genius inventor Nikola Tesla, who famously said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the numbers 3, 6, and 9, you would have a key to the universe." So grab a notebook, stay until the end, and learn exactly how to use this technique step by step. What is the 369 manifestation technique? The 369 manifestation technique is a simple manifestation practice where you write a positive affirmation 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. The purpose is to repeatedly focus your attention on what you want to attract into your life. When you consistently focus on a goal with emotion, clarity, and belief, your actions and mindset begin aligning with that goal.
Step 1. Get clear about what you want. Before you start writing, decide exactly what you want to manifest. It could be financial abundance, a loving relationship, better health, career success, confidence, and self-growth. The more specific you are, the better. Instead of saying, "I want more money," write, "I am grateful for earning $1 million every month through fulfilling work." Notice how it sounds as if it has already happened. That's important. Step 2. Create a powerful affirmation. Your affirmation should be positive, present tense, emotional, specific. Examples: I am grateful for the abundance flowing into my life every day. I am confidently attracting success and opportunities. I am living a healthy, happy, and energetic life. As you write, imagine your desire is already a reality.
Step 3. Write it 3 times in the morning. The morning is when your mind is fresh and receptive. As soon as you wake up, write your affirmation 3 times. Don't rush. Feel every word. Visualize your desired outcome. Ask yourself, how would I feel if this were already true? Would I feel excited? Peaceful? Grateful? Experience those emotions while writing. Step 4. Write it 6 times in the afternoon. During the day, life gets busy. The afternoon session reconnects you with your intention. Write your affirmation 6 times. Focus deeply. Remove distractions. For those few minutes, let your desire become your reality in your mind. Step 5. Write it 9 times before bed. Nighttime is considered a powerful period because your subconscious mind remains active while you sleep. Write your affirmation 9 times before going to bed. As you finish, close your eyes and visualize your dream life. Imagine the details. See it. Feel it. Experience the joy as though it's happening right now. Then, sleep with gratitude. Step 6. Let go and trust the process. This is where many people make mistakes. They write their affirmations and then spend the rest of the day worrying. Manifestation isn't about obsession. It's about alignment. Do your practice. Take inspired action. Stay positive. And trust that the right opportunities will appear at the right time. Why does the 369 technique feel so powerful? The real power lies in consistent focus, positive thinking, emotional engagement, and goal reinforcement. When you repeatedly focus on a specific outcome, you naturally become more aware of opportunities related to that goal. Your mindset shifts, your confidence grows, and your actions begin supporting your desired future. A simple challenge for you. For the next 21 days, practice the 369 manifestation technique consistently. Choose one affirmation, write it every day, Stay committed, stay grateful, and observe the changes in your mindset, habits, and opportunities. Remember, small daily actions create extraordinary results over time. Your thoughts create your focus. Your focus influences your actions, and your actions shape your reality. The life you desire begins with the beliefs you choose to nurture every single day. So start today. Pick your affirmation, trust the process, and allow yourself to become the person who naturally attracts the life you dream about. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below, "I am ready to manifest my dream life," and tell us what you're manifesting right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep believing, keep manifesting, and keep growing.